Hi, I'm Saki, and today I'm going to show you how to break bread. Not necessarily Bible style, but maybe Bible style. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you already know how to break bread. There's no science behind it, but you're wrong. There's a whole field of bread breakingology, and I'm going to show you some cutting-edge technology that will change your life. I made so much bread for this video. So let's start off with the wrong way to break bread. I see people doing this all the time. My dad does it. Don't be a barbarian. If you're pinching your bread to make it easier to tear, congratulations, now you have a cold panini. It's not fixable, it's toast. You cannot refluff this pillow. It's not like it's a washcloth that you have to wring out. Instead of compressing this whole thing, let's be strategic here. The part that's tough to break is the crust. The crust is the armored shell that encapsulates the magical, delicious, fluffy, delicate, squishy, pillowy treasures inside. You have to be a knight in shining armor, break down that castle wall, and rescue the princess alive. You cannot accomplish this by bulldozing the entire castle. The princess will die. You will fail. So let me ask you a question. Do you crack your eggs like this? Or like this? So don't be cracking your baguettes open that way either, okay? Let's use the egg crack method on our baguettes. First, perforate it using a knife or your talons. Then split it open along the fault line. Let's see that again. So this is the staff of Moses, and this is the Red Sea. And your hands are the hands of God. Look at that gloriously parted loaf. It's a fucking miracle. But in this version, we're not going to drown any Egyptians, unless it's in butter. Now you're equipped with the knowledge necessary to properly, correctly enjoy freshly baked bread. Make sure you share this wisdom with your friends. For more useful, useless tutorials such as this one, subscribe to my channel. I don't know if there's enough butter for all that.